it's Stephanie here from Oh You're Lovely, and today is all about the pumpkin. Alright guys, back at it with another tutorial. This is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, where we carry the largest selection of wood flowers in the United States. And today we're going to take this lovely faux pumpkin and we're going to turn it into a floral arrangement. It's going to be super easy, and yes, we are going to work with power tools. It's going to be so much fun. Let's jump right into this tutorial. For this tutorial, you are going to need a pumpkin. Wherever you find your faux pumpkins, most of the time these are styrofoam. You're gonna want one that's styrofoam so that you can either put your wires directly into the pumpkin, or what we're gonna do in a minute with our power tool. Power tool optional. I'm just gonna show you a way to kind of hollow out your pumpkin a little bit. Of course, some Sola wood flowers. Quick little note about this particular set of flowers. Did you know that we have a subscription box? We do. We actually have 3 of them, but one of them is a dyed subscription box that goes out once a month. You get 50 dyed flowers. It's a surprise every month of a different color, story, scheme, palette, whatever you want to call it. And this is the one that went out for September, early September. So if you're interested in that, I'll make sure to link it in the description, all about our different subscription boxes. Take a look at that. But that's the flowers that we're going to work with, is September's subscription box flowers. And then finally, Greenery. All of this can be found at ohyourlovely.com. Some of it has already retired, but all of the Greenery was at one point at ohyourlovely.com. All right, let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna hollow this out a little bit, similar to when you would find a actual live pumpkin, drill a hole in it, put your flower arrangement into it. We're gonna do that. So most of these faux pumpkins, the stem comes right out. Just wiggle it a little bit and you'll be able to pull that out. Now you could easily use this as is, stem your flowers and just stick it in there since it's styrofoam. I do like to hollow this out a little bit. And so to do that, I'm grabbing my power drill. Yep, that's the word. And I've got a bit on there to drill a hole in it. I do have a, what is it called? I don't even remember. Some other big power tool that you can, a drill press. I have a drill press. I just know how to use the things. I don't know what they're called, but I have a drill press, but my pumpkins can't go underneath the drill press. It's not the right size. This is gonna make a mess, so that's why I've got it in a box. Styrofoam everywhere. I'm gonna also rip a little bit of this off, just a little bit, to open this up a little bit more, because I want to make a bigger arrangement. And that'll help me get my drill in there a little bit more. I'm sure you could also probably take out some of this with using a, like melting it a little bit. There's styrofoam cutters and things like that. This is just how I do it. But I just basically want to have a hole inside my pumpkin so that I can get my greenery a little bit deeper into the pumpkin without having to like stab it way into the pumpkin. So there's that. I'm gonna clean up this mess and then we're gonna get to making the arrangement next. All right, all cleaned up, ready to go. Let's start with our greenery first. And I just got a mix of different pieces of greenery right now. But it's nice to have that already hole in place. Now I can just start putting things in and I don't have to get them as deep into the pumpkin because I've already kind of broken that down. You can though use and put holes directly into the pumpkin as well if you want. Not sure if I'm loving that. We'll give it a minute and I'll make a decision. Thinking that might not be exactly what I want to do. Some of these pieces, if they have, I'm going to individually stem them up. I think what I'm going to do is bring them across. this one, I'm just grabbing a little bit of glue, putting it on the edge, and stemming it up that way. I think we'll do that with that other one too that kind of fell a minute ago. I've got two of them. We'll do it for both of those. Is set. Isn't that cute all by itself? Could probably just end it, but we're not going to because we don't do that. But just put your little top back in there and you got a cute little greenery filled pumpkin. But we're gonna add the flowers. Next, let me show you real quick how to stem a flower because I know that gets asked quite often. So when you get your Sola flowers, if you get them in the surprise box, they're going to be dyed. But normally they come raw and then you dye them whatever colors. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab some floral wire, which is usually 18 gauge, seems to be kind of the medium ground that most people like. I put a little bit of glue right on the edge of my wire, bring it into the flower, and if it goes in too far, just pull that back out a little bit. And there you go. Simple, Simon, could not be any easier unless it was already stemmed for you. So there we go, that's all there is to it. Let's get all these flowers ready to go and add them into our pumpkin. I did grab some cream flowers as well. The assortment did not come with any cream flowers, but I grabbed some just in case I want to add a few more flowers for a couple neutrals in there. I think we're gonna keep it a little bit lighter on the flower side, heavier on the greenery side, but we'll see. You never know. I say that and then all of a sudden we blink and it's full of flowers, so. Happens to me every time. Once we get too much in there, I can't find the actual styrofoam to hook my wire through. I found it. Let me get that in there. There we go. Oops. All right, I think she's done. I do. All right, you guys, there we have it. A beautiful, festive, floral pumpkin made out of a simple faux pumpkin found at any favorite craft supply shop or Walmart or Target or wherever you find your faux pumpkins. A couple Sola flowers, a little bit of greenery, boom, bang. She's done, and then she's gonna go back probably on the mantle with the other one. I have a pumpkin problem. I really like faux pumpkins, and I have them everywhere, and I do lots of different things with them, so we're just gonna add this to the collection. If you guys love this tutorial, love what we're doing around here, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And to find out about the 150 style Sola flowers along with greenery and craft supplies, go to ohyourelovely.com. Until next time, this is Stephanie from Oh You're Lovely, and you, my friends, are absolutely lovely. Bye guys.